Attention British people, are you making these health mistakes? Did you know that 90% of British people unknowingly sabotage their health daily? You might be one of them. Stick around and you'll discover how to fix these mistakes before it's too late. Mistake number 1, skipping breakfast or eating it wrong. What's your go-to breakfast? Tea with biscuits, toast with jam, or nothing at all? Skipping breakfast or eating sugary carbs leads to energy crashes and cravings. Fix it with a protein-packed meal like eggs or oats to stay full and energized. Mistake number 2, drinking too much tea with milk. Tea is a British icon, but adding milk can block its antioxidants, which fight aging and inflammation. Switch to black or green tea without milk for better benefits. Mistake number 3, not drinking enough water. Over 60% of Brits don't drink enough water, leading to fatigue, headaches, and overeating. Start your day with a glass of water and sip throughout the day to stay hydrated and focused. Mistake number 4, avoiding the sun. Limited sunshine already puts Brits at risk of vitamin D deficiency. Avoiding the sun entirely makes it worse. Spend 10 to 15 minutes outside daily without sunscreen or take a vitamin D supplement to boost mood and immunity. Mistake number 5, relying on processed foods. Fish and chips, sausage rolls, ready meals, staples of British life but loaded with salt, fats, and preservatives. They silently harm your health. Swap them for fresh foods like grilled fish, veggies, and homemade meals. Mistake number 6, ignoring mental health. Stress and anxiety are at an all-time high, yet many ignore their mental health. Remember, mental and physical health are connected. Spend 10 minutes daily on mindfulness, journaling, or a quiet walk. Mistake number 7, overusing painkillers. Paracetamol and ibuprofen are lifesavers occasionally, but overuse harms your liver and kidneys. For pain relief, try natural remedies like turmeric, magnesium, or regular stretching. Mistake number 8, not getting enough sleep. Do you sacrifice sleep for TV or scrolling on your phone? Poor sleep weakens your immune system and raises the risk of disease. Aim for 7 to 8 hours by creating a relaxing bedtime routine and avoiding screens. Mistake number 9, skipping health checkups. Serious issues like high blood pressure often show no symptoms. Regular checkups are key to catching problems early. Prevention is always better than cure. Mistake number 10, not exercising enough. Nearly half of Brits don't meet the recommended 150 minutes of weekly exercise. Lack of activity leads to weight gain, heart issues, and depression. Simple activities like walking or gardening can make a big difference. Conclusion and call to action. Which of these health mistakes are you guilty of? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Share this video with your friends and family so they can avoid these mistakes too. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe to my channel for more tips to transform your health. Together, let's make Britain healthier and happier.